Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, August 19th, 2026. Just a quick recap of the big picture. The settlement a month ago below the 380.39 18-month channel bottom has now indicated long-term a sell signal down to 228.05 that we're anticipating really by the end of the year. Now, on the way down, we've had near-term support. We mentioned you can bottom pick or take profits on a short that may have been established with the settlement below 380.31 in the low to what is now the low to mid 290s. We tested this descending channel bottom of 3 or 4 weeks ago. This is an area you can bottom pick on a what we're calling a 3 to 5 week basis. And from here, we're about 3 weeks into testing it. You can see potentially 380.39 as an objective. But what has gotten in the way, and we were mentioning this all along, is this descending channel bottom on the daily chart at 345.69 that may continue to contain buying through next week, through the rest of August. And from here, we can fall back into the low to mid 290s again over the next 2 to 3 weeks. In fact, you can play that. You may be short now at 345.69 or this formation, anticipating the low to mid 290s now as a 2 to 3 month target, because we've been indicating as much as a clear 2 to 3 week swing trade scenario. If we do close today below 336.09, that should add weight to the market. And yes, within 2 to 3 weeks, the low to mid 290s in reach, where we can bottom out well into September trade and perhaps come off of here. Now, on the way down, closing below 336.09, 317.96 likely within 2 to 3 days is my guess. And once again, 2 to 3 weeks, the low to mid 290s, where we could bottom out, as I say, through September and round up again. But ultimately, we are expecting a violation of this 291.81 level, and that should then yield within a couple of months our longer-term objective at 228.05, where we can bottom out through the rest of the year, and is essentially the beginning of a wide zone of long-term support, 6-year channel support down to 187.66, where we could bottom out not only through all of 27, but perhaps through the rest of the decade. So this is kind of an investment area, if you will, the buy and hold strategy long-term. Upside, if we do happen to close today above 345.69, that sets off follow-through buying by the end of next week or sooner. 364.02 is likely, and within about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, 380.39 is likely. So closing above 345.69, if you went short at this formation over a few days ago, you should at least exit that short position, or consider reversing and going long over the 2 to 3 week time frame to this rising rising resistance at 380.39. And that is really, do I show it here properly? Yes, that is the beginning, 380.39, of an increasingly narrowing zone of significant resistance, 418.52 descending channel top, that by the middle of October, they'll converge into a single point just under $400. This area can absorb buying once again through the rest of the year, and from here we can fall away, rotate south into the upper 220s over the following 6 months or less. Not unless we close above this 418.52 channel top in the coming weeks do I see the opportunity to go long Tesla through the rest of the year and into the first quarter. 540s, 550s, then considered a 3 to 5 month target, but not until then. Until then, this is an area to sell short if given the opportunity, and that opportunity should come with a settlement today above 345.69. Until then, if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you're short from this area, anticipating the low to mid 290s over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and that becomes a really sort of underscored, confirmed, if you will, with a settlement today below 336.09. Day traders can buy 36.09 and sell 45.69 all day. If we happen to break or open today below 36.09, I think you should play the short side of the market for the day, ideally selling 36.09 if we open below it. 1796, is it in reach today? No, it's not. But all these minor points are carefully chosen as intraday objectives that you can trade. And I'm going to leave it at that for Wednesday's Daily Tesla Report. You have a great day.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.